Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With a distribution like Gentoo Linux, it can be tempting sometimes to smash your computer against the wall whenever you encounter an error message or an issue. But luckily it doesn't have to come to that if you know what you're doing. One particular message that you will encounter from time to time when you install a package is the one I'm going to show you. But first let me install the package. Alright, now why is Gentoo showing us this warning? Well, the reason is there's a potential risk for our system. However, it's giving us two options on how to solve it. First method is this version. I mean it's the bleeding edge version of the package. That's what the 9999 means. And because it's bleeding edge, there's also a risk that it's not going to be stable, but usually it's pretty stable because it's been tested by the developers, just not tested by the Gentoo developers. So and the second method is this one. But to be honest, I don't like this method because it's unstable. I mean that's what the tilde sign means. It means it's unstable. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I don't like this is a production machine and I don't like installing unstable packages. So let's go ahead and install the 999 version, and for this we need to navigate to etc portage package accept keywords. Now in your case you will probably not have this directory, so we need to create it, and you create it this way. Oops, like this. In my case I don't need to do it, so yes, let's remove the line. Now what do I need to do? First I need to create a new file. I will call it eidmw. Okay, now what do I need to do? I need to create, first I need to include the category, that's appcrypt, and then the package name, and then last step is the 9999 version, and for this we're gonna use 2 stars. That's it, and that's called a use flag. In Gentoo there are many use flags. That's in order to optimize your system, you can have multiple flags. Use flags, they're very useful. You can it allows you to optimize your system, like I said, and maybe I can show you quickly how to look up use flags for a particular package. In my case, this is the I mean, not in my case, for this package, this is going to be this command. And of course, you can use other for other commands like take live. Oops, like this. Oh, I believe this is another command. Maybe take live. Yeah, this is LaTeX. I made many use flags, as you can see. So anyways, now let's check if our file is completely correct. Yes, it is correct. So now we can save it for good, and now when I rerun the command, it's going to give me a completely different result. I mean the result that I want. Okay, now let's install the package, and I guess I will see you guys next time.